Market is open. It's Monday, June 23rd. I just released a video yesterday going into MSTY and my updated thoughts on it. So I figured since I've been kind of getting into YouTube and this is the normal time of the day that I'll check up on this stuff, I figured I'd go live and kind of share my thoughts while I look at the market quickly. And if anybody wanted to jump in and say something, I figured that'd be cool too. So I'm just checking on the streaming software here because I have not used it just yet. So let me see. I can see a chat in the Streamlabs, but will I go live in YouTube? Oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. Looks like the quality is good. Nice. All right, cool. Great. I don't know if anyone chatted yet because it says 2 chatters, but all right. So we'll go into this. So Bitcoin, the other thing I wanted to pull up is, let's see if I can get this pulled up. We'll get the Bitcoin chart pulled up here. Actually, I don't need to log in. Bitcoin, USDT. There we go. Ooh, this dark mode, I can't. Or this light mode. All right, so we're on the day. Let's go down to, let's see. Let's go down to the hour. Okay, great. So Bitcoin had a great pullback over the weekend, down 4%, and it actually just like popped right back up, basically the full amount on Sunday. So it was like a Sunday pullback, maybe a fake out. Kind of hard to say. Let me save this on the bookmark bar, and then we're gonna duplicate it, and then we'll also see what Mr. is doing. So yeah, MicroStrategy gapped down a bit, probably an equal amount, I would guess, 2%, but it's holding. So surprised by that kind of. I kind of thought maybe we were gonna have more of a pullback, but it doesn't really seem like that's the case. Let's go over the portfolio and see where we're at with this. So we're barely underwater, or under our average position here. So we're at 2183. I was thinking of maybe picking up some more shares today on this pullback, but I don't know with like the war and stuff. I think maybe there's more volatility to come, but we'll see. I think it's kind of early because if Bitcoin holds up here, great. Like this is a great place for, let me zoom out even a little more. If Bitcoin holds up here above 100K, that's great long term. Like a lot of people think, yeah, that's what we expect, right? If it doesn't and it pulls back to say here like 95, 93 would probably be the lows, or I mean this would be like this would be like your price. Probably that's a 20%. Down to this low would be 25% from here. From the top, that'd probably be a 30% pullback. So like this is would not be uncommon. We already did it once. So for us to do it again and retest it, not uncommon. You can see this is kind of what happens on the way up. It's pretty normal to have big pullbacks and then these big ups in Bitcoin. So kind of what I expect sometimes with these things. But yeah, it's getting bought up. MicroStrategy is getting bought up good right now, and it seems like Bitcoin is too. This could just be early morning, or it could just be, hey, Bitcoin showing strength. This is what we expect, right? especially in a time of war, and maybe the printers are going back on. Bitcoin makes the most sense, so we'll have to wait and see, to be honest. So yeah, let's take a look at the options chains for this. If we go to 30 days, we'll go to 32, sell put. Yeah, not much. Still not that much going on here, so look at IBIT. I think I'd want to be here. See, the premiums are quite good right now for 25 day, for 32. $1 for 51. That's nice. Let's see, what is that? What does that make it? 12%. That's pretty good. I think I'm gonna pick one of these up right now. Where were we? And we'll sell this one contract and we'll collect $100 premium. Done. 105. Even better. So we just picked up an option for the week. It's Monday. Great. We have another one on there. And collected $100 in premium. So good start. The market started down today, but now it's kind of rallying. SCHD is up. Everything's kind of pulling up. So interesting to see. We'll have to wait until about 10:30 to see if things turn around. But it's looking pretty decent right now. So that's good. Cool. Well, that's basically how I look at the market first thing in the morning. There wasn't really many changes I wanted to make today. Like I said, I was looking at Msty with my average entry being 21, and we had a pullback, so you can see 21.88. I was thinking about adding more shares. Down here when it was pulling back, but I think I'll wait and see. If we do end up getting more of a pullback. Jesus, the ads on this are crazy. I'll have to sign in and set that up after the stream so I don't get those. But cool. Thanks for anybody who stopped in and watched, and we'll see you in the next video.